Meaning of eutrophic.
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 Eutrophic. Eutrophic refers to a state of water bodies characterized by high nutrient levels, particularly of nitrogen and phosphorus. This excess of nutrients often stimulates the growth of algae and other aquatic plants, leading to an increase in biomass known as eutrophication. As a result, eutrophic water bodies may experience reduced clarity, increased risk of harmful algal blooms, oxygen depletion, fish kills, and changes in the overall ecosystem structure and function. These impacts have significant implications for water quality, recreational uses, and economic activities relying on healthy aquatic environments.